Welcome back, learners! In this video, we're going to solve for derivatives of general logarithmic functions. We'll find the derivative of y with respect to x of each of the following. Number 1, y is equal to log x base 7. Number 2, y is equal to log x raised to 7 minus 5 base 4. And number 3, y is equal to x cubed log square root of 3x minus 8 base 3. And the rule that we will use is that when y is equal to log g of x base a, then its derivative y prime, or the derivative of y with respect to x, is equal to 1 over g of x ln of the base a multiplied by the derivative of g of x. For this first example, our g of x is a plane x. So to get its derivative, we have y prime, or the derivative of y with respect to x, is equal to 1 over x ln of the base 7 multiplied by the derivative of x, which we know is just a 1. This is just equal to 1, right? So, finally, our answer is just 1 over ln 7 x. And now for this example number 2, our g of x is x raised to 7 minus 5. So, let's get the derivative of this y. So, y prime, or derivative of y with respect to x, is equal to 1 over the g of x, x raised to 7 minus 5, multiplied by ln of the base 4, and then the whole of this multiplied by the derivative of x raised to 7 minus 5. So, we have 1 over ln 4. We write the ln first before the x term here. ln 4 times x raised to 7 minus 5 multiplied by, so the derivative of this is just 7x raised to 6, right? And finally, our answer is, we can actually move the 7x raised to 6 as a numerator. So, we have 7x raised to 6 over ln 4 multiplied by x raised to 7 minus 5. So, that is our y prime here, or the derivative of y with respect to x. And for our last example here, we have a product of functions. So, we'll apply the product rule here. Let's just have a recap. If we have y, which is a product of f of x and g of x, then its derivative is equal to f prime of x multiplied by g of x plus f of x multiplied by g prime of x. So, let us apply that here. We have our y prime, or the derivative of y with respect to x, is equal to, let's do this step by step. Our f of x is x cubed, while the log square root of 3x minus 8 base 3 is our g of x. So, we have x cubed prime, and then log square root of 3x minus 8 base 3, and then plus x cubed multiplied by the derivative of log 3 square root of log square root of 3x minus 8 base 3. Okay, and then moving on, the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, right? Then we have log square root of 3x minus 8 base 3 here, plus x cubed, and for this part, we will apply the rule for getting the derivative of general logarithmic function. So, what can we do here? Maybe let's just rewrite this as log 3x minus 8 raised to 1/2. We can transform the radical here, the square root, as fractional exponent 1/2, right? And then 3 is still having this prime here because we can actually apply the one of the laws of logarithm where the exponent 1/2 can be moved in front as multiplier in front of the log. Okay, so let's do that first. So 3x squared log square root of 3x minus 8 base 3 plus x cubed. And now transforming this, we have 1/2 log 3x minus 8 base 3 prime. So there. So it will be easier to differentiate. So we have 3x squared and then log square root of 3x minus 8 base 3 plus x cubed. And now we have the 1/2 and then applying the rule for differentiating general log. So we have 1 over our 3x minus 8 multiplied by ln of the base 3 and multiplied by the derivative of 3x minus 8. Okay, so we'll use the next frame to simplify this one. So we now have equals 3x squared log square root of 3x minus 8 base 3 plus x cubed 1/2 multiplied by 1 over 3x minus 8 times ln 3 multiplied by, so this time we'll get the derivative of 3x minus 8, which is just a 3, right? So I think this next line is our final answer. We have 3x squared log square root of 3x minus 8 base 3 plus, so we can multiply everything here. We have 3x cubed in the numerator, right? If you multiply x cubed and 3. And in the denominator, we have 2 ln 3 multiplied by 3x minus 8. And that's it. That's our final answer to this example number 3. So learners, what would you like to learn next? Comment below.